So why you're smelling it? I caught you smelling it slowly. Is that satisfying? No. Because it's green. I know. Do you like this kind of color too, Jade? Jade, this kind of color. This one? I don't touch anything unless you're buying it. Julana, don't touch anything. In Alaska. Okay, come on, guys. Okay. Oh, you take off the box. Okay, yeah, yeah. Sunny. Where you guys wanna go? Just go. You go to the other one, then I. But I'm so tired of that color because I see that everybody had that color. See, I know when everybody's eating. See, look another one color. The black is doesn't. Oh, look at that. That's ugly Lexus. Where's the GameStop? Uh, not like the black. It doesn't. What do you call this? It's still a nice color regardless of what season it is. Oh, they have more GameStop here. You can sell your Nintendo the game here that you buy. Yeah, and sell it, but they don't wanna let it go. Oh wow. Uh oh. Uh oh. Uh oh. You already got what you wanted. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. You already got what you wanted. You're just looking. Oh, Jelena, there's Hello Kitty there. Look, there you go. Here, here you go. Yeah, there's Hello Kitty there. See, Hello Kitty. Oh, that's Hello Kitty. Is that Hello Kitty? No. Oh, look at that tiny, tiny cup, mini cup. Oh, Mario, Super Mario, Jelena. Look at that. Ang dami, guys. Ang daming mabibili. You don't like that? Okay. Pikachu! Let me see your Pikachu. That's a big Hello Kitty. Ah, tingin-tingin lang siya. Oh, wow. Ayan, marunong man siya. Tingin-tingin lang siya. Sanay man siya, tingin-tingin lang.